Welcome to this week's SciMon. I'm Irene.
And I'm Jacques of the Scientific Affairs team here at Illumina.
Have you seen how many papers are being published about the role of the immune system in cancer?
Well, the immune system is supposed to protect us from cancer, but somehow cancer can go into stealth mode and escape the immune system. Now, in large part due to genomics, researchers are starting to understand how cancer and the immune system interact. An important discovery was that some cells in the immune system, the regulatory T cells, act as a brake on the immune system. So the immune system is like a car driving with the brakes on. A real breakthrough came with the development of checkpoint inhibitors. They can release the brakes so a patient's own immune system can seek and destroy cancer cells.
Also, the immune system can be stimulated by vaccines, which work by exposing it to an antigen and stimulating it to recognize and kill cancer cells. In adoptive T cell transfer, the patient's own T cells are cultured in vitro and injected back into the patient. These T cells can be either tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes, or they can be normal T cells that have been engineered to produce special receptors called chimeric antigen receptors on their surface.
If you take that logic further, anything that impacts the immune system, like the microbiome, could potentially influence the cancer immune system interactions. For example, Sivan and co-workers observed significant differences in anti-tumor immunity and melanoma growth rate in genetically identical mice, but with different microbiomes.
Interestingly, these differences were eliminated after co-housing or fecal transfer. By sequence analysis, they identified Bifidobacterium as significantly associated with anti-tumor immune-mediated response. They then administered Bifidobacterium alone to treated mice, improving tumor control and response to checkpoint inhibitor therapy.
Another paper also identified two types of bacteroides associated with the efficacy of checkpoint inhibitors. Importantly, antibiotics abolish the effect of the therapy. This is another example why antibiotics should not be overused.
As a matter of fact, another very recent paper has demonstrated that antibiotic use in preschool children has a long-lasting effect on microbiome composition, with potential effects on metabolic diseases, immune diseases, and, as we just learned, immune-mediated response to cancer.
But that's all for today. We would love to hear your thoughts about our show and topics you would like us to discuss.
Subscribe to our channel and be sure to follow us on social media, #SciMon.
Until next time, bye.
Bye.